When I talk to my patients after they receive their custom orthotics, the most common barrier to them wearing their orthotics consistently is not because of discomfort or forgetting to use them. It's because they can't stand the way they squeak. My name is Dr. Andrew Schneider, a podiatrist based in Houston with over 2 decades of experience. To be honest, most people don't encounter their orthotics squeaking, but I'm guessing if you're watching this video, you're trying to find out how to stop the squeak. In today's video, I'll discuss methods to easily and effectively stop your orthotics from squeaking. Before I do, I wrote a book all about custom orthotics. I'd like to send you a copy as a gift. Visit www.orthoticbook.com to request your free copy. Also, let others know about these videos. Please like, comment, hit the subscribe button, and share on social media. This will help others find the information they need. Squeaking is a common yet frustrating issue that many users of custom orthotics encounter. The sound often arises from the interaction between the orthotic material and the shoe, typically due to friction or inadequate cushioning. As you walk, the orthotics may shift or rub against the inner lining of your footwear, resulting in audible noises that can be distracting and uncomfortable. Several factors contribute to this problem. First, the choice of material used in the orthotics, such as plastic or foams, can influence how they respond within the shoe environment. Additionally, the fit of both the orthotics and the shoe play an essential role. Poor fitting orthotics may move excessively, leading to increased friction and noise. Environmental factors such as humidity and temperature may also affect the materials, potentially worsening the squeaking. While squeaking does not impact the effectiveness of the orthotics, it can make you self-conscious. Unwanted noise can draw attention and distract you, potentially undermining your confidence during important interactions. If you want to focus on your tasks, not on the sound your orthotics make, by addressing the squeaks, you can guarantee that your movements are smooth and silent, allowing you to blend seamlessly into any environment. To effectively reduce squeaking in your custom orthotics, you can apply baby powder or cornstarch as a simple solution. Apply a light dusting of baby powder or cornstarch directly to the underside of the orthotics. This technique reduces friction between the materials, effectively silencing the squeak. Maintaining silence in your custom orthotics require regular attention to the application of baby powder or cornstarch. Ideally, you should apply the powder or cornstarch whenever you begin to notice the squeaking and notice it returning. Squeaking custom orthotics can stem from improper insole placement and movement within your footwear. To address this, make sure that your insoles fit snugly without excessive wiggle. Adjust the positioning if necessary, ensuring they sit flat against the shoe's interior. Often, one of the most effective ways to eliminate the annoying squeak from custom orthotics is by lining the bottom with thin moleskin. To apply, cut a piece that matches the orthotic shape, ensuring full coverage. Clean the surface first, then peel and stick the moleskin firmly. This technique reduces friction, eliminating the squeaking. If you're experiencing persistent squeaking from your custom orthotics, despite implementing these fixes, it's time to consult your podiatrist. They can evaluate the wear and fit of your orthotics and make necessary adjustments to guarantee top performance. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Please take a moment to like, comment, and share on social media. Be sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss another video. Don't forget to order my free books all about custom orthotics. You can request a copy at www.orthoticbook.com. The link is in the description. Did you try these methods and your orthotics are still squeaking? Schedule an appointment so we can ensure you have the proper fit. The link to request an appointment is also in the description. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.